Hello, this is novaTopFlex. In this video, I'm going to install Openbox on the NetBSD operating system. You might think that installing and removing software packages on NetBSD is particularly difficult, but that might be true with the basic package manager. If you have pkgin package in, like I do, you can actually do it much more easily. So you have pkgin, that's package in, install Openbox. Now, if Openbox is not available, or if some other package is not available, then it will tell you that it's not available, probably, but you can also do package in search and then dot if you're unsure. That will actually help also. We are installing Python 3.13, and we're also installing XDG. Now, on my Ubuntu system, my host system, I have Python 3.12, but on this virtual machine it's Python 3.13. Also, this version of NetBSD was released, I believe, at the very end of either June or July. Not sure, but I think I would err on the side of July, honestly, 2026. This is actually a new version in the 19th major release, despite only being numbered 11.0 of NetBSD. In this demonstration, I'm using the 64-bit variant of the NetBSD operating system, not to be confused with a 32-bit version of i386. Also, you have more freedom on a 64-bit system, because you can run a lot newer software compared to on 32-bit. Like, I don't know that you can do Python 3.13, not sure if you can do most modern software on 32-bit anymore, but NetBSD will tell you that you have some 32-bit inventory remaining on your legacy systems. But this is a 64-bit, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to exit full screen. You'll see my Ubuntu window and adapter, and then this will actually be, I'm going to do Start X Openbox just to make sure that I'm successful. And here we go. This is my Openbox setup. While it might not look like my Openbox configuration with Adapta GTK theme that I always seem to be using on my system, this is actually a different interpretation of the same Openbox. But overall, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my terminals list, and you'll see here that not all these file managers are available in the system. That expects you to have Nautilus, Thunar, KDE, Rex, PCMan, and then Xterm is a terminal emulator you have. So now let me actually think. Python 3, Python 3.13. So this is actually a Python 3.13 that you have. This is actually a prerequisite for using the Openbox. And to demonstrate Openbox, I'm going to do import tkenter. Actually, is there no module named tkenter? Unfortunately not. There is no tkenter, at least by default, but I do have the ability to use this version of Openbox. If you like this type of content and would like to learn more, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and try to hack the YouTube algorithm. And thanks for watching. Signing off.